Let's create a WordPress backup from a Stack Discovery. From your navigation bar, click on Stack Discovery, then click Create Stack. This will redirect you to the stack creation page. In here, you can select your server and set the appropriate discovery options. Once the stack is created, click on Discover Resources. This will automatically try to grab all the recommended backups to set up. As you can see, I have a few WordPress sites living on this server. I'd like to create a full backup for Pure Brew coffee roasters. Clicking Create Full Backup will give me a backup creation sheet with pre-filled data. All I have to do is enter the correct database credentials, validate the connection, select which storage to use, set the scheduling and retention policy, and save the backup. Once this backup is created, you can access it from the Files and Database page under the Bundle tab. Let's navigate to a backup here and make sure everything is set up correctly. And voila! That's pretty much it.